What is actually inside the sun? For thousands of years, humanity has asked this question, but reaching it always seemed impossible. Its temperatures are so extreme that any ordinary spacecraft would be instantly destroyed. Yet NASA accomplished a breakthrough that scientists once deemed impossible. A small spacecraft, roughly the size of a car, flew directly into the outer atmosphere of the sun, traveling at a staggering 430,000 miles per hour. It officially became the fastest human-made object in history. To put that into perspective, at this speed, you could travel across entire countries in just 10 to 20 seconds. As it entered the solar atmosphere, all radio communications suddenly went silent. For 2 tense days, Mission Control had no idea if the probe was still functioning or if it had been vaporized by the cosmic furnace. But when a faint signal finally returned, it brought data that forced us to completely rethink everything we knew about our star.
To understand why this mission was so dangerous, you must first understand the sun's biggest paradox: the corona. Most people think the main danger of the sun is its surface, but the real threat lies in its outer atmosphere. While the surface of the sun is around 5,500 degrees Celsius, the corona reaches a mind-boggling 500,000 to 1.7 million degrees Celsius. Normally, as you move away from a heat source, temperatures drop, but the sun defies this rule. Scientists call this mystery the coronal heating problem. This region is also where solar winds are born, streams of high-energy charged particles blasting into space. When these storms head toward Earth, they can disrupt satellite communications, GPS systems, and even knock out entire electrical power grids. In 1958, a young astrophysicist named Eugene Parker theorized the existence of solar winds. Though many scientists initially rejected his idea, observations soon proved him right. In a rare honor, NASA named this historic probe after him, the Parker Solar Probe. Parker was 91 when it launched in 2018, witnessing his legacy fly toward the star he studied all his life. To survive temperatures exceeding 1,400 degrees Celsius, hotter than lava, NASA developed a revolutionary 4.5-inch heat shield made of carbon-carbon composite and carbon foam. This shield protected the delicate instruments, keeping them at room temperature. Even though the corona reaches millions of degrees, the density of particles there is extremely low. This meant the actual amount of heat transferred to the spacecraft was manageable. Additionally, flexible joints allowed the probe to withstand immense aerodynamic pressure without breaking. Instead of heading straight for the sun, the probe used Venus's gravity to slow down and alter its path. Flying past Venus 7 times over 6 years, its orbit shrank closer and closer to the sun. On December 24th, the spacecraft plunged closer than any planet, even Mercury, had ever been. All signals dropped out due to radiation. Then, on December 26th, a small radio signal confirmed the probe was alive and fully operational. When the data arrived, scientists got their first look inside the corona. Onboard cameras captured plasma streams flowing directly out from the corona into space. They discovered that not all material in coronal mass ejections escapes. Magnetic forces drag large portions back into the sun. Rapid changes in the sun's magnetic field were identified as the key drivers superheating the corona to millions of degrees. This data isn't just about understanding space, it's about safeguarding Earth. Currently, we only get short warnings before a major solar storm hits. With Parker's discoveries, scientists will eventually be able to predict space weather days in advance, protecting global technology and energy grids. For thousands of years, we could only watch the sun from a distance. Today, humanity has touched a star. If future technology allows us to venture even deeper into the sun, what discovery do you think would shock the world the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to Cosmic Frontiers, and we'll see you in the next episode.